Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video we are going to check the virtual internship program which is provided by the Accenture. Friend, Accenture is a multinational company and they are providing the virtual internship for data analytics and visualization. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for all the students and the working professionals as well as the freshers who wants to make their career in the data analytics field and in the business analyst or data science. So friend, it is a very good opportunity for you. Please watch the video complete so that you can understand what is the requirement for getting the certificates, how you have to register. So please watch the video complete. And friend, you can take this virtual internship from any country. So let's start the video. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Forage, which is providing the Accenture data analytics and visualization internship. So friend, you can see here one of the very important point is given. You can see this virtual experience is a free, so you have to not pay anything. So friend, let's scroll down and check regarding this virtual internship program. So friend, you can see here, as I have told earlier, that this virtual experience is a free for the students, and friend, it is also for the working professionals and the freshers, how we are going to discuss later. And friend, the next thing you can see here, this program is a self-paced and it will takes around 5 to 6 hours to complete this virtual experience. And friend, it is a very good thing that it is a self-paced, so whenever you will get the your free times, then you can complete it. And friend, you can see here you will get the practical skills from the experience from Accenture North America, which is a very good things. And a friend, also you can add this certificate of virtual internship in your resume so that your candidature becomes stronger. So friend, let's check. Here one thing is given, that is why join this virtual experience. So friend, you can see here Accenture empowers you to be your best personally and professionally. And friend, every day around the world they work with exceptional people and the latest and greatest tech and leading companies across industries. And friend, this opportunity will allow you deep dive into the evolving world of data from an analytics and visualization perspective with navigating numbers. And friend, you will learn data basics such as data cleaning, data modeling, visualization, and how to tell your data, that is a storytelling. And upon completion you will be equipped with data fundamentals and understanding of what a career in data analytics could look like. So, and friend, all Accenture North America virtual experience programs give a taste of how together they can create a meaningful, powerful change and bring your skills, your curiosity, and your best true self. So friend, it is a very good opportunity. So also friend, you can see here Jeda, and which is a experienced designer at Accenture. They will tell you regarding the introduction of the data analytics and virtual experience. And you can see here a small video is given, so you can watch it. Friend, I will provide the link of this page in the description box, so you can access it and watch it and before the registering. So let's check what things you will learn in the virtual internship program. So friend, you can see here the first thing you will learn the project understanding. So in which you will learn quickly get up to speed with the business problems which is being addressed, that is a project requirements and team alignment. So you will build your skills like project requirements and team alignments. And friend, you will get the practical skills from working on this task. So you will build your skills like teamwork, then strategy planning, then project planning, which is a very important skills for the data analyst. And friend, after that you can see you will learn data cleaning and data modeling, which is required for the create valuable insights, in which you can increase your knowledge regarding the data understanding, how data modeling done. Then in the can the lesson number 3, that is a data visualization and storytelling. So friend, storytelling is a very important part of the data analyst, because once you have made the visualization, then you have to tell your story to the customers. So you can see, bring your data live and uncover insights for the business, in which you will learn data analysis, then how you can provide a very good storytelling and how to do data visualization. Then in the lesson number 4, you can see present to the client, which is a very important part of your data analyst field. So you can see it is your time to shine by presenting your insights back to the client. So in which you will learn the presentation skills, how to present the data in the front of the peoples, various stakeholders, business heads, and the director and management. So this type of things you will learn. Then also you will learn how to communicate with the peoples in what language, and public speaking, which can increase your confidence. So friend, this type of things you will learn, and it is a very good internship, and it is provided by the Accenture, which is a multinational company. So friend, let's check what types of certificates you will get, and after that we are going to check how you have to register. So friend, you can see this type of certificates you will get, and you can see here Accenture logo is given here, and also you can see your name will be given here. So you can see, and in what field you have done your internship, that is a name of the internship will be given here. And friend, along with this you will also get the date on which you have completed this internship. And friend, you can verify your internship from the here link is given. So if anyone has a doubt, they can verify these certificates. And friend, what types of modules you have learned in this virtual internship programs, it will also be listed in the certificates. And friend, you can see here it is authorized by the, you can see, managing director of North America recruiting and founder of the forage company. So it is a authorized certificates. And friend, before going to check the how you have to register, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream, and also please like and share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, so that everyone can get the advantage of this video. And friend, you can explore our channels also, in which you can see we have made the various data analyst SAP certification related videos, interview tips, and also the related to the Primavera P6 software. So please explore our channel, and which certificates you want, you can done from here. And friend, let's check how you have to register. So friend, for registering, simple process is given. So you can see here register now button is given. So you have to click on that, and once you click friend, then this type of window will come, and you can see here there is a two option. You can sign up with email, and if you already your account in the forage, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to click on this sign up with email. And friend, once you click, then this type of window will come, and you can see here you have to provide your first name, and after that friend, you have to provide your last name. Friend, please provide correctly, because it will print on your certificates. And after that you have to provide your email address, and after that you have to create one password with minimum 8 characters. And friend, you can see after that you have to select what best describes you currently. So if you are a high school student, then you have to select this. If you are the university and college student, then you have to select this. And friend, if you are the freshers, or you have completed your college degree and you do not have any experience, then you have to select this career. And also if you are the working professionals and have some experience, then you can also select this career. So friend, as I have told earlier that in the starting of the video, you can see you have seen there that is there is a one point is given, that is this virtual experience is free for the students. So it is not only for the students, it is also for the freshers and the working professionals. So you have to select this last one options, and after that you have to provide how did you hear about this internship program. You can select anyone like Facebook, Instagram, Google search, or any other social media platform. And after providing these details, you have to click on this register. So friend, once you click on this register, you will be registered in this virtual internship program. And after that you have to complete this by completing the various tasks assigned in this virtual internship program. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this virtual internship program, friend, please comment. We are trying to resolve your comments. And if you want any particular video on topic, please also comment, so that we can make a video. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.